Irasshaimase! Welcome! That's the first thing you'll hear in any cafe in Japan. And today, you're going to know exactly what to do next. Hey friend, welcome back to Easy Japanese Talk. I'm Mia, and with me as always,
ヒロです。皆さん、こんにちは。
Hiro. Okay, so last episode, episode 14, we learned days of the week, months, and how to schedule plans in Japanese. We combined everything into real conversations. But today, we're stepping into a real situation, a Japanese cafe.
Cafe. I love cafes.
Same. Japan has incredible cafe culture, from giant chains like Starbucks and Dotor to tiny, cozy indie coffee shops on every corner. And the Japanese cafe experience has its own special vocabulary that's a little different from restaurants. So today, we're learning all of it.
Koohii. Customize. Takeout. Coffee. Customizing. Takeout.
Exactly. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to walk up to a Japanese cafe counter, order your drink exactly the way you want it, customize it, and handle the whole experience, including takeout versus dine-in. If you're brand new here, welcome. We go step by step. No grammar lectures, just real conversation. Check out our Beginner Basics playlist to catch up. If you love learning Japanese this way, hit that subscribe button right now. New episodes every week, and Hiro and I are here to take you from zero to confident.
Onegaishimasu. Subscribe.
Okay, let's set the scene. You walk into a Japanese cafe. The staff immediately says,
Irasshaimase. Irasshaimase.
Irasshaimase. It means welcome, or literally, please come in. You don't need to respond to this. It's just a greeting the staff says to everyone. Just smile and walk up to the counter.
Just smile. No need to answer.
Perfect. Now, you need to get the staff's attention to order. What do you say?
すみません。すみません。
Sumimasen. Excuse me. We learned this back in episode 3. It's the magic word for getting attention politely. In a busy cafe, just say sumimasen and the staff will come to you. Now, let's learn the core cafe drink vocabulary. Hiro, what are the basics?
まず、コーヒー。コーヒー。Coffee.
Koohii. Coffee. It's a loan word from English. You can almost hear it. Koohii.
Latte. Latte. Latte.
Latte. That's how latte sounds in Japanese. Ra-te. The L becomes R in Japanese.
Cappuccino. Cappuccino. Cappuccino.
Cappuccino. You can hear cappuccino in there. These Italian coffee words traveled into Japanese beautifully.
Americano. Americano. Americano.
Americano, just like it sounds.
紅茶。紅茶。Black tea.
Kocha, that's black tea, like British-style tea. Ko means red or crimson. Cha means tea, red tea.
緑茶。緑茶。Green tea.
Ryoku cha, green tea. Ryoku means green. Cha is tea again. You'll see this on menus everywhere in Japan.
抹茶ラテ。抹茶ラテ。Matcha latte.
Matcha Rate. Matcha latte, one of Japan's most popular cafe drinks, the beautiful green one. And just a note, matcha is the same in English and Japanese, so that one's easy.
ホットチョコレート。ホットチョコレート。Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. Again, loan words from English. Japanese cafes have borrowed so many drink names directly from Western languages. Once you know the pattern, you can guess a lot of menu items just from sound. Now, here's the most important phrase, how to actually order. Hiro, show them.
ラテを一つお願いします。ラテを一つお願いします。
Rate o hitotsu onegaishimasu. One latte, please. Let's break this down. Rate is latte. O is our object marker. It points to what you want. Hitotsu is one. We learned numbers back in episode 4. And onegaishimasu is please. The whole structure is drink plus O plus number plus onegaishimasu.
Simple. Drink. O. 一つ お願いします。
Let's practice. If I want one coffee,
コーヒーを一つお願いします。コーヒーを一つお願いします。
Koohiiを一つお願いします. One coffee, please. What about two matcha lattes?
抹茶ラテを二つお願いします。抹茶ラテを二つお願いします。
Matcha latte を二つお願いします. Two matcha lattes, please. 二つ is two. See how the structure stays the same? Just swap the drink and the number. And if you just want to point at the menu and keep it super simple,
これを一つお願いします。これを一つお願いします。
これを一つお願いします. One of this, please. これ means this. Just point at the menu. Total beginner survival phrase.
Very useful. これ point.
We love a good pointing moment. Now, the staff might ask you something right after you order. Hiro, what's the big one?
ホットとアイスどちらになさいますか？ホットとアイスどちらになさいますか？
ホットとアイスどちらになさいますか? Hot or iced, which would you like? Hotto is hot, aisu is iced, both from English. Dochira means which one. This is polite staff language, so don't be surprised by the fancy phrasing. Just listen for hotto and aisu and you're good.
ホットでお願いします。ホットでお願いします。
Hotto de onegaishimasu. Hot, please. Or
アイスでお願いします。アイスでお願いします。
aisu de onegaishimasu. Iced, please. Notice the pattern. Choice plus de onegaishimasu. This is gold. You can use this for almost every customization question they ask you. We're going to see it again and again. Let's do a quick vocabulary drill. I'll say the drink in English, you say it in Japanese. Coffee,
コーヒ
matcha latte,
ー、抹茶ラテ、
green tea,
緑茶、
cappuccino,
カプチーノ、
black tea,
紅茶、
latte.
ラテ。
Amazing! You just learned a full Japanese cafe menu. If you're enjoying this episode, drop a like right now. It genuinely helps other beginners find us.
お願い、like ボタン。
Coming up next, we're going to level up with size options, milk customization, and sweetness levels. Real cafe customization in Japanese. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back. We know our drinks. We know how to order the basics. Now let's customize. Because in Japan, just like everywhere, people have opinions about their coffee. Hiro, do you have a coffee order?
はい、アイスラテ、オートミルク、少なめ。
Of course you do. Very specific. Okay, let's learn how to build that order step by step. First, size. Most Japanese cafes use English size names, but let's learn the Japanese ones too.
サイズはスモール。サイズはスモール。
Sumoru, small, straight from English. Small becomes sumoru.
ミディアム、ミディアム。
Mediamu. You can hear it, right?
ラージ、ラージ。
Large. And at Starbucks in Japan, they use the same Starbucks sizing, tall, grande, and venti, all borrowed as loanwords. So if you're at Starbucks Japan, you're already prepared.
トール、グランデ、ベンティ、セイン。
Same. Now, to order with a size, you just put the size before de onegaishimasu. Hiro.
ラージでお願いします。ラージでお願いします。ラージ please。
Raji de onegaishimasu. Large, please. Size de onegaishimasu. Remember that pattern from hot and iced? It works for everything. Now, milk options. Japan has embraced alternative milks in a big way. Let's go through them.
普通のミルク、普通のミルク。regular milk。
Futsu no milk. Regular milk. Futsu means normal or regular.
豆乳、豆乳。ソイミルク。
Tounyuu, soy milk. To means soybean. New means milk, soy milk. This is the traditional Japanese plant milk.
オートミルク、オートミルク。オートミルク。
Oto milk, oat milk, straight from English. Oat becomes oto.
アーモンドミルク、
アーモンドミルク、アーモンドミルク。
almond milk, almond milk. And to order with your milk choice,
豆乳でお願いします。豆乳でお願いします。ソイミルク please。
豆乳でお願いします。Soy milk, please. There it is again. Choice でお願いします。This structure is incredibly powerful. Master it once and you can handle almost any customization question. Now, sweetness. This one is really useful in Japan because many cafes, especially bubble tea shops and specialty coffee places, ask about sweetness levels.
甘さはどうなさいますか? How sweet would you like it?
甘さはどうなさいますか? How sweet would you like it? Amasa means sweetness. If you want it normal,
普通でお願いします。普通でお願いします。Regular sweetness, please.
普通でお願いします。Normal, please. Less sweet,
少なめでお願いします。少なめでお願いします。Less, please.
少なめでお願いします。Less, please. 少なめ means less or reduced. And no sugar at all?
砂糖なしでお願いします。砂糖なしでお願いします。No sugar, please.
砂糖なしでお願いします。砂糖 is sugar. Nashi means without. So 砂糖なし is sugar-free.
Zero sugar. Zero sugar. Also okay.
Yes, zero sugar, zero sugar. You can use the English loanword and they'll totally understand. Now, let's put a full custom order together. I'm going to walk through building Hiro's order step by step. Ready?
準備 OK? Ready?
Okay. Hiro walks into a cafe. He wants an iced latte, oat milk, less sweet, large size. Let's build this. First, get attention.
すみません。すみません。
すみません. Now order the base drink.
アイスラテを一つお願いします。アイスラテを一つお願いします。One iced latte, please.
アイスラテを一つお願いします. One iced latte, please. Then, size.
ラージでお願いします。ラージでお願いします。
Large, please. Milk.
オートミルクでお願いします。オートミルクでお願いします。
Oat milk, please. And sweetness.
少なめでお願いします。少なめでお願いします。
Less sweet, please. And that is a complete, perfectly customized Japanese cafe order. The staff will be totally impressed. Notice how every single customization used the same ending, de onegaishimasu. That one phrase is the key to it all.
で、お願いします。Magic words.
Absolute magic. Now, what if the cafe doesn't have oat milk? They might say,
申し訳ありませんが、オートミルクはございません。
That's very polite. I'm very sorry, we don't have oat milk. Don't panic. Just say,
では、豆乳でお願いします。では、豆乳でお願いします。
dewa, then soy milk, please. Dewa means in that case, or then. So elegant, such a smooth recovery.
完璧、パーフェクトリカバリー。
Let's do a customization challenge. I'll give you a scenario, and you, yes, you, the listener, think of what you'd say. Hiro will give the answer. Okay, you want a hot cappuccino, medium size, no sugar.
すみません。カプチーノを一つお願いします。ホットで、ミディアムで、砂糖なしでお願いします。
Beautiful. すみません. Get attention. Cappuccino 一つお願いします. One cappuccino, please. ホットで hot, ミディアムで medium, 砂糖なしでお願いします. No sugar, please. Perfect Japanese cafe English.
できた !You did it!
You really did. One more. You want an iced matcha latte, large, oat milk, extra sweet. Extra, or more in Japanese, is
多め、多め、more, extra.
ome, more, or extra. So extra sweet is amasa ome de onegaishimasu. Try the full order.
すみません。抹茶ラテを一つお願いします。アイスで、ラージで、オートミルクで、甘さ多めでお願いします。
Incredible! You just ordered a large iced matcha latte with oat milk and extra sweetness completely in Japanese. Comment below what your dream Japanese cafe order would be. Write it out in Japanese.
コメントで Let's see your order.
Okay, we are almost at the finish line for today's cafe adventure. There's one more super important moment. After you order, the staff will ask you something crucial. Hiro, what is it?
お持ち帰りですか？それとも店内でよろしいですか？お持ち帰りですか？それとも店内でよろしいですか？
Two options. O-mochikaeri desu ka? Is this to go? Or tennai de yoroshii desu ka? Will you be dining in? Let's break these down. O-mochikaeri means takeout, literally honorable carrying home. And tennai means inside the store, inside the shop.
お持ち帰り Takeout
Exactly. And to answer, if you're staying,
店内でお願いします店内でお願いします
tennai de onegaishimasu. Dine in, please. There's our de onegaishimasu again. And if you're taking it to go,
お持ち帰りでお願いしますお持ち帰りでお願いします
omochikaeri de onegaishimasu. To go, please. Same magical ending, de onegaishimasu. You just need to know the two key words, tennai for inside and omochikaeri for takeout. Everything else stays the same.
Very simple.
One more useful phrase. When the staff hands you your drink, they might ask about a receipt.
レシートはご入り用ですか？レシートはご入り用ですか？
Reshito wa goiryou desu ka? Do you need a receipt? Reshito is receipt from English. If you don't need it, just say
結構です。結構です。No thank you. I'm good.
kekkou desu. I'm fine or no need, thank you. Such a versatile phrase. It's polite, it's casual, and staff use it too. Write that one down. Kekkou desu. Okay, lightning round. I'll give you a situation, Hiro answers, and you shout it along at home. You're staying, cozy corner seat, you've claimed it.
店内でお願いします。店内でお願いします。
It's raining, you're running late. Takeout.
お持ち帰りでお願いします。お持ち帰りでお願いします。
Staff asks about a receipt, you don't need it.
結構です。結構です。
Perfect every time. Now let's do our final full review. Drinks. Coffee, latte, matcha latte, green tea, black tea, cappuccino.
コーヒー、ラテ、抹茶ラテ、緑茶、紅茶、カプチーノ
Basic order. 1. Drink, please.
を一つお願いします。
Any customization. Hot, iced, size, milk, sweetness.
をべお願いします。
Takeout or dine in.
お持ち帰りでお願いします。or 店内でお願いします。
No receipt needed.
結構です。結構です。
You just mastered the entire Japanese cafe experience. And the real secret? One phrase, de onegaishimasu, unlocks everything. Hot, iced, large, oat milk, less sweet, takeout, everything. Master those two words and you're unstoppable.
でお願いします。The magic.
Your challenge this week, next time you order a coffee anywhere, say your full order out loud in Japanese first, even at your local cafe at home. Build that muscle memory.
Practice every day.
And we want to see your orders. Drop your dream Japanese cafe order in the comments. Write it all out. We'll cheer you on.
コメントしてください。コメントしてください。Please comment.
If this episode helped you feel ready to walk into a Japanese cafe, please smash that like button. It means everything to us and helps other learners find this channel. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Every episode builds on the last, and you do not want to miss what's coming. And share this with a friend who loves coffee and also wants to learn Japanese. That is literally the perfect person for this episode.
シェアして。Share.
Coming up in episode 16, we're learning how to describe people in Japanese. Physical descriptions, personality traits, all the adjectives you need to talk about the people around you. Your vocabulary is about to get so much richer.
面白い。面白い。Interesting. 楽しみ。
Can't wait. You just learned to order cafe drinks like a local in Japan. Customize, pay, take your coffee, and go.
またね皆さん。
じゃあね